A few months ago, I decided to see if AI could build a trading bot from scratch. The results surprised me. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I built it step by step. As you can see on the screen, my bot's balance and full transaction history are displayed for the past 24 hours. It's been running completely independently for about 20 hours and has managed to generate a profitable transaction roughly every few hours. That's a solid outcome. I gave Claude just one task: create a secure and gas-efficient arbitrage bot for Ethereum DEXs. The result was astonishing. Claude didn't return a concept or an experimental version, it produced a complete smart contract intended for real deployment, including well-designed architecture, efficient execution logic, and all essential security mechanisms. The bot continuously watches decentralized exchanges across Ethereum, searching for temporary price mismatches between identical token pairs. Whenever an opportunity appears, it performs both sides of the trade atomically, securing the difference before the market adjusts. The biggest advantage is that the code is already deployment ready. You don't have to learn smart contract development from scratch because Claude has already handled the difficult work. In this video, I'll cover the full workflow, including wallet configuration, contract deployment, funding, and activation. First, initialize a Web3 wallet provider in your browser, for example MetaMask. On mobile, utilize the wallet's integrated D-app browser. Proceed to the online IDE linked in the description for contract compilation and deployment. Once the environment loads, create a new file and paste in the contract's source code. The code is open source and commented for clarity. Reference the Pragma directive in the first line to determine the required Solidity compiler version. Navigate to the Compiler tab, set the exact version, enable auto-compilation, and execute the compile command. Next, access the Deployment tab. Set the environment to Injected Provider to connect your wallet. Approve the connection request. Successful connection is confirmed by the display of your wallet's address and ETH balance. Click Deploy and confirm the transaction in your wallet. An adequate ETH balance is necessary to pay for the transaction's gas cost. Deployment is now complete. Your trading bot is live on the Ethereum mainnet. A simple UI for interacting with the contract's functions will appear below. Critical: before transferring assets, verify that the owner address stored in the contract matches your wallet address to ensure full control. Copy the deployed contract's address and fund it with ETH. The minimum capital is 1 ETH. However, 2 ETH or more is strongly advised to provide sufficient operational capital and to buffer against high gas fees. Allocating less than 1 ETH risks the depletion of the entire balance by transaction costs. My primary configuration operates with 20 ETH, typically earning 6 to 8 ETH per day. This demonstration will proceed with 2 ETH. With the ETH now in the contract's balance, return to the IDE, call the start function, and confirm the transaction. For the subsequent 24 hours, all arbitrage opportunities executed by the bot will generate on-chain transactions, which are publicly verifiable on Etherscan. And with that, the bot is live and running. Let's jump forward 24 hours and check the outcome on Etherscan. My new balance is sitting at nearly 3 ETH. The net profit from this run was roughly 0.8 ETH. The entire operation was seamless. There were no bugs, errors, or any other problems. Whenever you decide to withdraw, The process is straightforward. Click Withdraw, wait for the network to confirm the transaction, and refresh your wallet. All of your ETH will be returned to you in an instant. As you just witnessed, the withdrawal was successful. Just a quick heads up, this video is for learning purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor, so please don't take this as investment advice. I'm a crypto enthusiast who enjoys experimenting with AI and blockchain tech. I'm just showing you a personal project I built and tested, not giving you tips on what to do with your money. If you'd like to try this out, I've put all the links you'll need in the description. You can also find my Telegram handle there if you run into an issue or have a quick question. Subscribe, share your results down in the comments, and see you in the next one.